Hi Leo, welcome to Omkara Tarot. Here's a quick love bite for you for the weekend of the 24th to the 26th of July. So without further delay, let's begin, Leo. Let's see what's coming up. Oh, the Emperor wanted to show face. Someone's in control. Let's just put this aside, see how it's going to resonate with your reading. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send us the message that they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. So, Leo, let's begin. Leo, this is going to be a short reading, just 3 cards each, as your August readings are soon to be uploaded, so look forward to those, okay? If you're new here, do just subscribe, join us, and meet us for the August readings as well. So, Leo, 3 cards for you, 3 cards for your partner, and 3 cards of advice. 2 of Cups in reverse. Leo, let's see. The High Priestess, the Hierophant. Wow. 4 of Swords and the 8 of Cups. Walking away from a commitment, are you, Leo? Or you're thinking about it? Heavily, I think you're healing yourself about something or somebody, or maybe you walked away. Yes, you completed a chapter of your life with some kind of old commitment. You have been in hermit mode for a very long time, healing yourself, thinking about it. Now I think you're now planning to take back control of your life and move away from all that didn't serve you. Let's see your partner here. 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups, and the 3 of Swords. Yes, Leo, I think you are moving away. You've turned your back on this person, or on this relationship. You're trying to gather up your energy and your strength, and this is your card, right? The Strength card is a Leo card, so you are being very brave about it. You're trying your best to regain your equilibrium and your strength to move on after completing this major chapter of your life. Your partner here also has the 10 of Swords, which signifies, yes, things have come to a complete halt, and you guys are no longer working together anymore. There is no more emotional satisfaction in this relationship, and I think this has been communicated by them to you, or vice versa. Talks have already happened or are happening this weekend. This person is also now closing this chapter down. They've also been very stressed out maybe in the past and worried and whatever, but they are coming out of this sleepless nights and worry and everything, and they are also now healing this broken heart. Let's take 1 card for the 3 of Swords, Spirit. Yes, there was some conflict here. There was some conflict with person B to person A, and yes, there may have been some bitter words exchanged as well. But now this person seems to be pretty satisfied, Leo, your person, or flip the energy. This could be you, and the top line could be the other person, right? So this person is quite satisfied now with the outcome of however you've ended this strong commitment. There may have been a question of give and take here or whatever, that maybe the conflict was about not having equal give and take, but and that's what led to this heartbreak. But now I think this is all coming to an finish scenario for you, Leo, and you're regaining your strength, finding your courage. Let's see, you're in your mutual energy. Ace of Wands in reverse, 5 of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. Yes, Leo, right now I don't think you have the drive or the passion left to pursue this person. There's been a lot of power plays that have happened in this relationship, but Leo, I think you and this person, you're mirroring each other. You're kind of regaining your strength and your balance, I think, individually this weekend, and healing and letting go of all this pain and tension that you have endured with this past relationship. Yes, this is going to be either a tower moment this weekend, Leo, for you with this communication that comes in, or maybe you've just gone through this. So, but now I think after this is over and done, and yeah, it's going to be fine. You're going to regain your energy and strength. Right now, I don't think, Leo, you're in that place where you want to move anywhere ahead with a fresh beginning. You're healing, aching heart, and just maybe going back in history and thinking about all the good times maybe that you shared with this person, and maybe are now coming to a close, which is a good thing, Leo. You must heal before you start anything new, right? Let's take one angel blessing card for this weekend. I'm so sorry, Leo, for you if you're going through something like this. But you do know, right? When things end, something new begins. And of course, your August readings are coming. Let's see what brand new energies are coming up for you. Yes, you're a leader, right? You're a leader. You're strong, you're independent, and you're going to move ahead in a very strong way. This is Angel's blessing for you. You're a leader and you're going to shine irrespective of what's happened. Okay? So, God bless, take care, love and light.